Maligayang Pasko, maayong Pasko sa inyong tanan.
Happy New Year in English.
I know it's the most wonderful time of the year, and here we are with just me and him in this little home. This is my first Christmas away from my family, and it's been quite a challenge. It's tough being away from them. But anyways, we just like to wish everyone a happy, Merry Christmas to all of you. We are going to open our gifts.
Alright. Alexa, play some Christmas music.
Here's a station for Christmas music. Holiday favorites.
Alexa, volume up. Alexa, stop.
So, first and foremost, we'd like to thank everyone who gave us gifts this year. Especially to Chris and Gladys. Thank you for your gifts, guys. And so yeah, we're gonna start.
I thought you have a lot of gifts. I thought
I know these gifts are just my gifts for Ian, Ian's gifts to me. Yeah.
Some random people gave me gifts.
And then some can I talk?
You're talking.
And Ian's working place, like someone's being nice. No, someone gave him a gift.
No, not someone. My supervisor gave
Oh,
me.
you didn't tell me.
Yes, sorry.
So his supervisor gave him a
His
gift.
supervisor.
His supervisor gave him a gift.
Good job. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's get this started. Bam! Let's open the goods and the gifts. Okay. Bato, pick.
Chili! Wow, Dockers. Spain save. Wow.
So what's on there? Show them.
I hope there's 100 bills. Guys.
Okay, me, I'm gonna open Gladys' gift to me. Thank you, Gladys, for your gift.
Wow, jacket.
Oh, wow! She gave me a North Face jacket. Thank you, Gladys.
Now, from
Favorite color.
Brazil. You know me, right? Just kidding. Can you open this one?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You don't have to open it very nicely.
Whoa, whoa. Cobra, I need this. I need this because it's too cold in Seattle.
Oh wow.
Oh, what?
You know what? Ian would have more turn today because I did not only give him one gift, not two, not three, not four, not five.
Come on.
6 gifts.
That's a lot.
So, this is his gift to me. This is from Ian. Why? Oh wow. Money.
That's a bra. This is a bra.
He said this is a bra. How could this be a bra?
That's for the eye.
Eye mask.
Yeah, because
I'm Wonder Woman.
summer is coming up and the sunset here is like around...
Shucks, I can still peek on it though.
No, this is the other way around.
Freaking serious? No, it's like this way.
This is my second gift from Ode. Sucks.
Okay. What's this? Okay, so this is Ian's second gift to me.
That's the biggest gift we can have.
Okay. Oh wow! Vanity mirror. Does this have light? Oh yeah, it has light.
Yeah, baby. There's price too? Yes. Tools!
What is that? Show.
Rechargeable screwdriver. This is from my
Okay, go.
super baso.
Oh, wow!
Bosch drill bit. That's how she loves me.
Nice!
Wow! Whoa! Yeah, because it's cold in here. I'm excited with this one. Sorry neighbor. She wants me to be an electrician, so she gave me this like...
There's a thing in the back. It's an electrical test kit.
I have this already.
You know what? I just found that somewhere. So I put it inside your
Where? I love you. So this is a complete set of screw driver. Alright, the Black & Decker. Black & Decker, is it?
Yay! Yes. This is the
Early gift special. DeWalt 20 volts. 2 sets, impact and drill hammer.
Yay!
My gift to Ode.
You wouldn't know.
Bunker, can you help us open this thing?
This is so cool. So we ordered it in Amazon last night and it came in this morning.
Yeah, this morning they text me, oh, your package will arrive at 9 p.m. I was like, what the heck? Sorry. 9 p.m.?
Yay! Okay.
Oh my god.
It's on sale in Amazon for 129.
But this one costs like
I think I got it for 129. Thank you guys for watching, and again, we wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Thank you for supporting us.
And see you next year for more vlogs and more kulit and more dance moves. More travels to come, more adventure. What else? More open box or
Oh my god.
unboxing.
Look at
maybe.
all this mess.
I know. So, thank you so much and happy holidays. 2017. Here we come. Bye. Okay. So I'm going to the bed. I'm going to bed. Clean it.
Balik ka.